Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can delete your Telegram account forever and destroy it from their servers forever. First of all, to do this we have to go into Telegram. We will open our Telegram app and continue from there. After opening our Telegram account, of course we will see the normal Telegram interface, our contacts, the normal Telegram messages and everything, but we want to go to the here with the settings, and after going to the settings, of course there is no direct delete my account setting because it's hidden. We will go here, select privacy and security on the screen. I will click privacy and security, and of course right now it doesn't say delete your account. It has auto delete messages and everything, but that is no account deletion. I will go down and a little more. Here it says delete my account, but if far away for it says, because when you click on it you will see that it will destroy itself if inactive for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or a year. There is no direct deletion if you're an Android user, that is. If you're an Apple user, there will be an extra delete my account now feature if you use an Apple phone, but mine is an Android, so we can maximum select 1 month and forget about it. But of course if you don't want to wait for a month, we can do that as well. I will go back, search delete. When I search delete, there will be frequently asked questions. Delete your Telegram account. I will click on it. It says that if I want to delete my account, I can go through the deactivation page. I will go through it. It will redirect me to Telegram org's authorization account. I will write my phone number here, and after writing my phone number, it will send me a special code to my number. Of course, never share your phone online. So after you write your phone number and write the verification number, it says, do you want to delete your account? So you can delete easily with this technique without waiting 1 month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any other questions, you can always ask them in the comment section. So I will see you later in the day. Have a great day and goodbye.